The Quotes or Dealing Rates window displays online market information such as dealing rates, spreads, high and low, open and close prices, and so on about the traded markets. It is divided into 4 tabs: Forex, Indices, Shares, and My Watchlist. The My Watchlist tab is where you can add or remove instruments whose quotes you wish to monitor, no matter whether they fall into any of the other categories. The watchlist can be used to store your favorite or frequently traded markets. Each tab can be customized by adding or removing columns, arranging the quotes in an ascending or descending order, among others. You can also insert additional fields like trend, history, etc. The quotes can be displayed either as numeric values or as tiled price windows. Individual tabs in the quotes window can be floated outside of the main platform workspace or docked to any of the other panels. The Sentiments feature allows you to see how other clients are trading that market and what their preferences are at any given time. Click on the ribbon at the bottom of each price window and it will expand into a drop-down to give you the percentage of buyers and sellers arranged into different categories: all traders, top traders, all positions, and top traders' positions. Adding more markets to any of the 4 tabs is done by clicking the Add Instruments button and choosing the instrument from the list. You can also use the search function to locate the instrument you wish to trade.